Please enjoy this next great video.
Hi, my name is Anthony Ardley. Let me show you my 1971 AMC Javelin. First, I'll give you a little backstory about this car. I purchased this car back when I was 26 years old. I'm 55 years old now, so I've had this car for a while. This car originally was born in Kenosha, Wisconsin. It was green and white. My first restoration, I spent about 30 grand. I painted the car black. Since then, I've had the car stored, and it's sat around for a number of years before I finally decided to completely restore the car. I did a full frame restoration on the car. Everything has been touched on this car. Every nut, every bolt's been touched on this car. Full frame restoration. These cars are known to rust. The undercarriage, they rust pretty bad. So I had to get the undercarriage fully restored, fabricated to specification. I spent about 20 grand just doing that alone.
Sure.
And since then, I decided to change the paint. The car was originally green and white. I decided, and then I painted it black. I decided to change it to this color here, and it's called Donahue Silver. This color is an anniversary color for Mark Donahue. I saw it in a magazine. It was an anniversary edition color for Mark Donahue, and then I decided to paint it this color.
Before we look at the engine, can we take a look at the interior?
Sure.
This looks newer than new, you know that?
Yeah. The interior has been completely redone, right? The seats are not the Javelin AMX original seats. I took these seats out of a 95 Camaro. The back seats are the original seats, and I had them reupholstered to match everything.
Right, that looks nice.
All this has been replicated because you just can't find parts for this car.
Right.
It's very hard to track parts down.
Right.
The restoration took almost 4 years, and that's just because I'm trying to get the parts.
Sure.
A lot of the parts that was on the car, they were either they rusted or they were just damaged to the point where I couldn't repair the original parts.
Right.
So all this interior has been redone. And then a lot of the chrome is original chrome. I just had the chrome, re-chrome. Also, the bumpers, the original bumpers.
And there's a ton of beautiful chrome dressing around it, you know?
Yes, and so the bumpers have been re-chromed. These are my original lights. I couldn't find these lights to replace. There's like hairline fracture cracks on the lights.
Right.
But it's so difficult to track down parts for this car, let alone the lights. Okay, this rear backup cover I got from Canada. I was very fortunate. A gentleman out there was refabricating these covers.
And you know what? The thing about this car is it's got such great lines. It's just, every wheel well has flair to it.
Yes, the car is perfectly straight. I took great care of this car. It's never been in an accident.
Right.
Never been damaged.
What kind of tire dressing do you use?
That's okay.
Kind of
Myers.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah, Myers tires dressing.
Okay, there you go.
I went with these wheels, this combo, because it still has the nostalgia look to them. The mag look, similar to what the car had. But these are 17s. So 17s, 275s in the back, 225s in the front.
Can we open up this side over here?
Sure.
All right.
So
Go ahead.
if you look at the gauge cluster, the gauge cluster's been custom to specification. AMX, and it has the AMX and the AMC logos on there.
Right.
I went with a bullet steering wheel, and I still have all the original parts, the steering wheel, the original gauge cluster.
And I like how this, it just wraps all the way around. You know, this style.
Yeah, and yeah, it's nice. I mean, it's like a cockpit to a. Now the engine is this is the original engine, 360. What I did to this engine, I changed the intake. You know, I changed the headers, and obviously I changed the carburetor.
Right, right.
And then I added this serpentine system because this car didn't come with an air conditioner.
Right.
So this air conditioner had to be added.
Cool.
So this March serpentine system helps supports that compressor.
There you go, there you go. That is nice.
So this is a car I don't know anything
And
about.
how much horsepower are we looking at here?
Well, you lit on the 400 with the upgrades.
Cool, cool.
Yeah.
What about car show awards? Have you won any?
Oh yeah, this car's won Best of Show numerous times. Also, it showcased several times. It's showcased.
This is not something you're going to see very often. Because American Motors went out of business a long time ago.
Do you have any special exhaust on it?
Headman's header on here, front to back. Headman. So yeah, it's not the original header system, so it's been modified. Then I got a lowering kit on there.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah, so it dropped about 4 inches. Yeah.
And then does it have a unique sound to it?
No, it rumbles a little, but I mean, I don't like it too noisy, so it rumbles a little, but it's nice. All right, so thank you for featuring my car today. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share on YouTube.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and watch more videos. Thanks.